see a lot of people wishing they could be better, but they just can't. And because of that, it feels like they're just wasting their life. And I was exactly like this 1 or 2 years ago, even a few months ago, whether I was just playing so many video games, not being appreciative of every day, not being disciplined, not being productive, kind of just wasting my time going around YouTube videos. Wasn't sure of anything that I wanted to do. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just like sharing things that I've learned, and hopefully I can make you think about something and you think about it through your life. And then because of that, you actually improve and get better as a person, which is honestly one of my main dreams and main focuses, because I wish I had a video like this 1 or 2 years ago. So if you like the environment I'm in, like the nice trees, the nice sun, consider subscribing, because I post videos like these every day and just sharing things that I've learned, and hopefully you can learn with me too. So I feel like right now I am not wasting my life. I don't think I'm wasting my life and feel like I could be doing more. Right now I feel like I'm doing a great job. I actually love my life. I'm outside, I'm talking to you right now, enjoying myself, and I didn't have to do anything really crazy. I didn't have to go on some 10-mile run. I didn't have to talk to 500 people to feel some type of fulfillment. No, I just went outside, went on a 5-minute walk, and now I'm here in this nice place. Like, bro, I swear this place doesn't even look real. It looks like it's some stock footage or some random place that like you dream about. And I'm just, boom, I'm in here. I just love my life. Just look at this place. There's also some deer there just eating berries or something. So it's these small things, I feel like, which give you the big changes in your perspective on your life. 1 or 2 years ago, when I felt like I was wasting my life, I wasn't sure what to do, I didn't have anything I could do. I was playing video games, I was, relapsing, doing all those bad habits. And as a result, anything that was small in my life, any little small win or me going on a walk, I didn't. But now that I just cut those out and how free I feel with my life, now that doing anything in my life is enjoyable, is fun, makes me love my life, it just feels amazing. And I really wish the same for you. I really hope you can actually love your life more. And I feel like just trying to play less video games, trying to watch less videos, and try to do more things in your life. Smoking's bad for you. Get that out of here. I feel like when I quit video games, it just made me quit all the other bad habits. Kind of like just cutting out one small thing in my life of bad habits just made me, boom, do everything else way easier. So if you want to know how I quit video games and why, I really think you should too. Click that video in the description. It's the first link. If you're interested, watch it for 5 minutes. I really feel like I could help you if you play video games, if you relapse, if you do those things. Check that video out whenever you can. Watch it for 5 minutes. You might see that I might have a point and actually get better, which I really hope you can. It doesn't have to be some crazy thing of talking to 500 women or, all these crazy things that people talk about, like making 10K a month or something. No, it's just going on a walk for 10 minutes when you don't really expect to, when nobody really tells you to. Just, yeah, I want to go on a walk. I want to do this in my life. I want to go out my comfort zone. You really think more about your life and the choices you do, and you feel so great when you actually go on a walk. You're in nature, you have the nice sunlight, you have the nice environment around you. Wouldn't this be a sick place that you could be in? Try to even make this being a daily routine kind of thing. Just go on a walk for 10 minutes after school. Because be honest, bro, you probably are bored when you come home from school. You probably have times in the day where you don't know what to do. So going on a walk, even if you already went on a walk, going on 2 walks, that'll give you something to do, and it'll actually improve you and make you love your life more. So many times I've learned so much about myself and my life in 10 minutes than I have watching 100 videos. So it's better to take a small amount of action and you'll learn a lot more than just watching a bunch of videos, because I feel like it's so easy to feel like you're being productive, you're learning from watching all these million videos, and you don't actually do anything in your life. And you could literally change that right now. You can decide if you go on a walk for 5 minutes right now. You can change that. I think we can all benefit from this. It is worth changing. It is worth trying these small little things, because you're on the right path. And so many times I've been in ruts, I've relapsed, I've reset my streak, I watched so much YouTube, I ate a bunch of junk food. I've done moments like those, and promise, when you keep on pushing, it is worth it, bro. I just feel so amazing with my life. I feel so free, so happy, filled with glee, living life exceedingly. It is worth changing, and you are on the right path. Keep going, keep trying to love your life, go on a walk, and yeah, like, oh, my life just feels so great. I'm just chilling out here in the nature with nobody here, nobody wants to be here, and I'm just here alone. I love you. You're doing great. Peace.